the ductless mini-split heat pump. Here's one where we finally agree. You see, I live with my cousins. There's Clarence over there on the warm branch. He likes it hot. He's always basking and always soaking up heat. Then there is Beatrice on the cool rock. She prefers it cold, nice and refreshing. And Maurice in the corner? Somewhere in between. With a regular system, we would all have to agree on one temperature. That's impossible because we would argue all day. But the ductless mini-split? This solves everything. You see, it puts a small unit in each zone. They can be wall-mounted, floor-mounted, even recessed into the ceiling. Each one controls its own temperature independently. Clarence keeps his room at 78 degrees, practically a desert over there. Beatrice keeps her zone at 68, like a cool mountain morning. And Maurice, he sets his to 72, and everyone is happy. No ductwork needed, no fighting over the thermostat. Everyone gets exactly what they want. It's perfect adaptation for different preferences. Plus, they are quiet and efficient. We do not waste energy heating or cooling rooms to temperatures nobody wants. Each zone or each room is controlled separately. So if you have a household where everyone wants something different, the ductless mini-split is your answer. Trust me, I know about adaptation.